What's this? A 11316 EVS. This is an American hammer. Bosch hammer. Chicago. 120 volts. So this is an American machine. That 11316. That's just an American number for the same machine over here. This is the GSH11E. You ever hear me on about GSH11E hammers and you're over in America wondering what the hell's that? That's what this is. The 11316 Bosch hammer. That's the 11E. One and the same, just a different number in America. What's wrong with this one? No hammer out of it. Right, so she's running, but she's not making any noise. She's not kicking. What time is it? 25 to 6. See if we can get a quick service done on this, or see what we can do with it before 6 o'clock. See if we can get her up and hammering again. Say, going by the condition of this thing, by the look of it, it's not that while old, or it hasn't done an awful lot of work. So I would guess this doesn't need a whole service. Hopefully we'll get away changing a few O-rings and topping up the grease. You can always tell the American machines because they always have more warning labels on them. That's an odd grease. That's not the same grease used over here. Don't know if that's the right grease or not. Bloody stinks anyway. That's not done a whale lot of work. Honestly, don't know if that's the right grease or not. that's just what they use in America or what. It's very goopy and stinks. That actually is a different grease. Comes up on the breakdown as a different number for the grease for this here machine. Over here, this is a 001 or a 015 grease, but in America it's called a 014. They actually use a different type of grease in this machine, and it stinks. So we'll not do this a full wash out. Just going to clean the piston striker, replace the O-rings, top up the grease, see if that cures it. And it looks as fresh, doesn't always need a complete service. That's the piston. Extra slap of grease on there. Get that on. That back on. A bit more. This is all the heavy grease I'm using. That on. Them on top. Going to use the proper grease for here. As you can see, it's much lighter. Not going to use the full 90 ml because I haven't washed this out. Put that the right way around. Time, still time to spare. Give her a wee test here now. Not so bad. Still 5 minutes to spare. That's her up and running. You don't always get it as simple as that. You can see this has been lying up a long time. Out of America, but it's definitely an old Bosch. Actually, it's flathead screws instead of the Torx. So it's probably been lying a long time. Grease is dried up, seals have flattened, or the O-rings have flattened. So it just needs a wee spruce up to get it hammering again. Give you an idea of cost. €700 hammer, €60 repair. Not so bad.